Hey folks, flood warning continues until 8:15 this evening for that same area that's been under the flood warning for a couple of days now because water's still standing, and now we're seeing some additional rain. Fortunately, while it's briefly heavy, it does move along. Let's take a closer look in the southern end of the warned area that stretches from Harlingen back to about Alamo. And you see there's been some rain going through there. Again, the big thing is it's moving quickly. Now there's been 2 or 3 showers kind of in a line, kind of training along, but they're still coming through. We're also seeing some pretty good rain the northern half of McAllen right now from about Pecan all the way up to 107. But again, it's moving. Let's go a little bit to the north, and here's an area that saw a lot of rain the other night, and now we're seeing at least a little bit of thunder and lightning in that. Not much, but a little bit. But you don't want to be out in this right now trying to clean up, kind of find a place to stay in shelter because of the lightning until this passes. But if you're in an area that's flooded, it's not going to get any better for a little while until this gets by. A little farther to the north from Lasada all the way up to the county line. Again, you can see there's some rain in that area. Fast-moving showers. They're probably dropping maybe a quarter of an inch of rain, something like that, and then they move on out. There's been more developing just to the south, so we may be in and out of these light to moderate showers during the course of the next hour or two. Then once we lose daytime heating, it'll probably go away. This primarily along the sea breeze that is set up this afternoon. Future track indicates we go pretty quiet tonight. Could be an isolated overnight shower, but not much. And if it's a shower, that's it. Nothing more than that. And during the daytime tomorrow as well, about a 20% probability of something popping up tomorrow afternoon. And I think Friday, we're probably talking even less than that, but not completely dry, mainly dry, implying that 5% of the area may pick up a shower Friday and Saturday, but not a big event. And tomorrow, not a particularly big event either. We're only talking 20% tomorrow, so most areas stay dry tomorrow as well. Bigger picture shows there's moisture from here up to San Antonio over to Houston. That's an upward disturbance. It's slowly moving out, but it's still dealing with an awful lot of moisture, very rich atmosphere. So the disturbance has got plenty to work with, and the sea breeze is kind of helping to trigger things this afternoon. So that disturbance does continue to push away. Then we get a break for a while. There's still a lot of moisture, so the rain doesn't go 100% away, but it certainly goes to where it's much more mist than hit. But then this upper air disturbance, this upper level trough, moves westward across the Gulf of Mexico. Now, by the time we get to probably Sunday, this thing is off to the west of us. And when that happens, the moisture feed begins because the flow goes up and over that. And so the tropical moisture begins to pour in starting Sunday. And with that, the rain chances go up for Monday, Tuesday, even into Wednesday, because it looks like that trough may get stuck off to the west of us for a while. Here, temperatures a little bit of a break from the heat, at least where rain has been falling. 82 in Westlake, 89 in Edinburgh, McAllen 91. Some thermometers still down for the count after the big rain. Here's a look at your forecast lows tonight. Upper 70s, low 80s across the area under mainly cloudy skies. And then tomorrow we're back in the mid-90s again. Southeast winds 10 to 20, about 88 degrees at South Padre Island. The next 3 days look like this. The normal's 95. We'll get close tomorrow, probably right at normal for Friday and Saturday. Records are all up over 100, so we probably won't get there. Quick check of the tropics. The Pacific is starting to wake up, but the Atlantic is still very quiet. Nothing going on the Atlantic side. When we flip over to the Pacific, we have Tropical Storm Alvin moving out to sea, and then another system that's got some chance of developing to the south of Mexico over the next few days as well. Nothing expected to affect land. So tonight, your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast is mostly cloudy with just spotty showers, maybe a little thunder and lightning like we've seen, but not much. Then tomorrow, partly sunny with an isolated afternoon shower. Your high temperature around 94 degrees. Showers become much more mist than hit for Friday and Saturday. Sunday, though, we bring the chance back in, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we ramp it up to probably 40% by Tuesday and Wednesday. Decent rain as a possibility once again. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.